Okay, let's do the for each. For each, a jolly good fellow. For each, it's creating for each.php. And what we're going to do is we're going to do the for each. Okay, so we use for eaches pretty much only with arrays. So we're going to create a person array, like so. I'm going to say person.name, or Joe. We'll make it a little bit more fancy. Do person.last name, and that's going to equal Smith. Everything's really generic with me. Say person age, and we'll just set that to 38. Person location, and we'll set that equal to, I don't know, Portland, Oregon. Sure, why not? So we have this person array, and oftentimes you're going to get these. You're going to get these arrays. They're going to come in. You're going to, if you're doing PHP, you're going to do arrays. Arrays are going to be your best friends, or you're not going to be doing a lot of PHP. So say you want to loop through all that array. You want to loop through all the values of that array. What you can do is person, and then you want to do the as keyword, and no, I'm sorry, properties. You don't have to name it properties. You couldn't name it blah, blah, blah. No, it is person. I'm sorry, my bad. I'm getting languages confused. I'm writing a lot of JavaScript. Okay, my bad. Sorry about that, guys. So person as key value. So what we're going to do is we're just going to echo this out. Echo key. I'm going to do dot key. Echo br. And we're going to echo value. I'm going to do value. Okay. So basically, let's see what that equals. And let's do another BR just for my peace of mind. That'll make it look good. We're not even going to do a BR. We're just going to do a really big space. That'll make it look pretty decent. Okay. So if we do we change it? Let's make sure we change this so we can just push play. And we'll see what that equals. Yep, we did. So we can just push play. That'll just run it. And oh, we did not change it. I'm sorry. So go ahead and just type in for each.php. So the key is first name. The value is Joe. The key is last name. The value is Smith. The key is age. The value is 38. The key is location. The value is Portland, Oregon. So what you're seeing here is key values. Key values. Basically what a PHP array is. It's a key and a value, and it's a bunch of them. And the value can be anything. The value could be an array, even. So pretty cool stuff. Pretty cool stuff. So that's how you would loop through an array. Now, say you don't want the keys, you can also do this. Person as property. And you can just echo out all the properties. So you can echo property .vr. And let's see what that does. You can see it just echoes the value. So if you don't want the keys, you don't have to have them. But that's basically what a for each loop is. And you're going to use these a lot in PHP. Get used to them. Get used to for each loops. You're going to use them a lot in PHP. So just they're going to become your friends. They're better than for loops because you don't have to worry about counting. And they're really a better way to go with loops in general. So this is my favorite loop. It's the for each loop. I highly recommend it. Go through it. Let's go create an array. Go create a for each loop. Don't just sit there. Don't just whine. Just do it. So that's the end of this video. In our next video, we'll see. So we'll see what we'll do. I think next video is functions, and then from functions, we're going to classes. So I'll see you in the next video.